we talk about group hypnosis, so this is how it works. When you have group sessions, group hypnosis is there to cover a bigger spectrum of people. Okay, so if you look at this group session that we had here in this classroom, you can see that the people that have a raised arm bought into the suggestion with a helium balloon. Okay, my arm is raising, they're conscious, their subconscious believes in the same message, so they followed the instructions. Okay, then you have people like her. This is Bev, she used to work here. Bev is a light bulb, and Bev is just doing whatever she wants. Okay, so her subconscious gets the possibility or the opportunity to go on a journey, and she does whatever, and her helium balloon, that's what she's taking out of it. Then we've got these kind of people. No, those ones. Those really special ones. Okay, they normally sit in a corner or right on the edge, and they just come to observe. Okay, now a client like this or a person like that, most probably she will not make an appointment for a hypnosis session to start off with as a one-on-one. Highly unlikely, because she's incredibly critical. You can see it. She's not trusting this whole lot here. Okay, but if you have somebody like her that does 2 or 3 group sessions, okay, she doesn't want to lag behind forever. She will come to the point where she says, gee, you know, if those are all getting something out of it, let me also try it. Okay, so it's a beautiful introduction to hypnosis when you do it in a group, especially for people that are more critical. So when you take group hypnosis, it's a really nice introduction for everybody. You know, even if you do something where you say, I'm doing a 4-week program, and in the last week, people can bring a friend. Yeah, bring the friend that's skeptical. Don't bring the one that's already sold on it. I want the skeptical one. Yeah. Like tomorrow. Who's bringing a guest tomorrow?
Try.
Guest. Are you bringing?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guests. We want lots of guests. We're having a party tomorrow.
I need to know how many, because they get a little present from us.
Oh,
so I need to know.
Presents. Oh, now we've got plenty. Now you say, oh, you know, maybe I don't really have anybody. When we do it tomorrow, you will see the benefit of having people attending that don't understand anything. Because the way it works is this. You are the most critical tomorrow, because you're the ones that have just gone through it and you know the most. Okay? So when somebody says something that's leading, or they don't formulate it properly, or the pacing isn't right, you're going to be like, okay? Something that bothers you might not bother somebody out there because they don't know it. So it's really nice to have feedback from a whole different spectrum of people. People that have gone through the training, people that are trained, and people that have got no clue. Because the feedback is going to be so different, so you can take out much more learning. Let's really try to bring some people tomorrow.